Why is it said that under the cosmic rule limit that the speed of light cannot be broken through? A distance of just 1 light year is enough to firmly block humanity within the solar system. Perhaps when you truly understand the principle of the constant speed of light, you will comprehend that within the pursuit of light lies fate. According to classical physics based on Newton's absolute view of time and space, the movement speed of all objects is relative. For example, if you are on a train traveling at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, walking forward at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour within the carriage, then compared to someone standing on the ground, your speed is the speed of the train plus your walking, that is, 110 kilometers per hour. But the speed of light is not like that. If you light up a light source inside the carriage, whether it's for the people inside or those standing on the ground, the speed of light 300,000 kilometers per second. And why is that? Back over 100 years ago in the 19th century, many physicists believed that there was something called a state in the universe. It can serve as a ring for light to spread in space. Since the Earth moves around the Sun at a speed of 30 kilometers per second, if ether exists, then the speed of light in the wind and in the wind against it, there will be a theoretical difference of 30 kilometers per second. Therefore, in 1887, physicist Michelson and Morey designed a precise experiment that can measure the difference in light speed, which became the most famous Michelson-Morey experiment in scientific history. However, the results of the experiment showed that no matter which direction it is, the speed of light propagation remains constant. That is to say, the light coming from the front of the Earth and the light chasing from the back of the Earth are both about 300,000 kilometers per second. This means that there is no such thing as a state. This conclusion threw the entire physics community into confusion at the time. In order to explain this additional 100th century, physicist Lorentz proposed the length contraction hypothesis, believing that when an object is in motion, the length of its direction will be shortened, which precisely cancels out the changes in light processes caused by the Earth's movement relative to state, and mathematically derived Lorentz's formula. Afterwards, Einstein derived a narrow-sense relative believing planes based on Lorentz's formula. He believed that all physical laws were equivalent in all inertial reference systems, thus negating the absolute reference system of Newton's mechanics, and by combinedly solving Maxwell's equations, he derived the principle of an unchanging spherical inertia system is observed. The propagation speed of light in vacuum remains constant and does not change with the relative movement of the light source and the reference system of the observer. This also explains why the reason you can never reach the speed of light. Even if we fly at the speed of light in spaceships, the light in the universe will not keep up with you. But it still surpasses at the speed of light. When you cross paths with a beam of light head-on, the speed at which you measure won't be twice as fast, but it's still about 300,000 kilometers per second. This is the terrifying speed of light that remains unchanged under the cosmic rule that the speed of light cannot break through. It will trap all civilizations within their respective galaxies. Assuming that 65 million light-years away, there is an alien civilization observing Earth with a super telescope, theoretically speaking, what he sees is not the current Earth scene, but rather the era of dinosaurs in dire straits 65 million years ago. After Earth experienced a long and cruel evolution with the emergence of humans, and continuously evolving from the primitive society, ultimately entering the modern era. And at this time, when the light emitted by Earth reaches there, the alien civilization that initially observed us might have already been destroyed. Under the terrifying observable universe of 93 billion light-years, all civilizations might therefore perish. And in the vast expanse of time and space, mutual errors occur precisely due to the cosmic rules that cannot be broken through at the speed of light, which also explain why humans have so far not found any signs of alien existence. And from another perspective, if the universe is as described by the three-body problem, it is a dark forest full of danger, and the restriction on the speed of light might apply to young civilizations like humans. Perhaps it is precisely the vastness of the universe and the slowness of the speed of light that have provided enough time and space for life in the universe to evolve into a wise civilization.